trying out this fucking rock form mount. Can I please get 8 doll hairs on number 4?
$8 on number 4?
8 doll hairs. Thank you. Now Pepe can watch me bust some 6G section. Oh man, this valve adjustment is like the best money I've ever spent on this bike. This thing's literally running like a top now. Like you saw in the past few videos, she was dipping down at idle a lot and wanting to shut down, and would shut down if I don't give her a little gas. And it was starting to get to the point where I was like, damn, this shit kind of sucks. And you know, Tony sank my throttle bodies, and my number 3 cylinder was a little lower than the rest. Oh shit, my glove. And basically the mechanic said that that's usually a sign of compression loss and then the need of a valve adjustment. So that being said, I was like, let's go ahead and get that valve adjusted. And I got a real good price and I couldn't turn it down. And I went ahead and got her done. And I can't lie, the bike not only sounds better, like when I'm decelerating and the bike's engine braking, it even just sounds throatier and like everything's like a top, like a good old grandfather guy. And even when I started my bike up in the morning, I didn't even need to use this choke thing. It was low, don't get me wrong, but that's normal for a cold engine. And all I did was move this just like a millimeter Peter, and all of a sudden the bike was just like coming to life. I could just see how much more better she idles and runs. So those of you that have a bit of an idling problem, like a consistent one, and you haven't had your valves done in a good 20,000+ miles, that's a good sign that you need that done. Just a little mechanical tip for you from the guy who worked on my bike. So if you guys ever sink your throttle bodies, where you go take the valve stems off of your throttle bodies and you plug that little tool in, it looks like 4 thermometers, and you kind of want to sync them up where they're all kind of floating alike. If one kind of looks like it's dipping and hard to sink, or if any of them are, that's what the mechanic said. That's usually a sign of a valve adjustment being needed. So just a little tip out there for you fellow riders. And I'm sure those of you that are mechanically inclined are like, oh, bitch, I already know all about that. And you got this face going on while you're saying it. So I'm heading out to Tony's again. He's gonna be dipping out for a while, so we've been getting some videos and shit done. And guy looks like he's taking a fat piss. Guy looks like he's taking a fat piss. That's what I look like a night after drinking, or a morning after drinking. 105. Oh my. That'd be cool to have an RV and like have a little rack for a dual sport and your street bike hanging off the back. You just fucking travel the world, ride around some areas, pack your bags back up, chill, do some moto vlogs. It's gonna be a dream of mine one day if I can ever have that opportunity. That'd be sick as shit. Listen to the deceleration. Shit, this even sounds cleaner. And look, she just idles. It's like a top. That's literally like the best adjustment I could ever do on my bike right there. Even the throttle response feels better. No, I'm talking about my valves a lot, but just want to give you guys a little synopsis of literally the difference and how better it feels. It's awesome. You can hear that supercharger clean. Look at Tony, man. It was gonna be fun riding with him with this thing. This is the bike he was on with the Icon Drift video. even looks the same from that video. The bike is 1740 cc's and supercharged, so I doubt I'm ever going to keep up with this thing off the line, ever, with this thing. Look at that old guy right there. He's like, damn, that shit's fire, son. You can straight hear the supercharger. Oh shit, big old pocket. Thing sounds beast. Sounds good. Looks like it's like too relaxing to ride, like he's just chilling, like he's on a recliner, like he's on a lazy boy. That bike's got like a full Two Brothers racing exhaust on it, and it makes some quality pipes and some traffic ropes. We're heading to this little taco shop. It's like a hole in the wall place, but according to Tony, they have the best tacos known to mankind. On that, you want to do it? Oh, yeah. He said that thing's too big and scary to be cutting through cars on. I don't blame him. It's so humid that it feels like there's just like a giant moist vagina just held open over my face, like constantly. I haven't had some legit fucking Mexican tacos in quite some time, and I'm looking damn forward to it. Shoot some lime ropes all over them. Do you guys like Mexican food tacos? Because I like Mexican food tacos. Oh yeah. This dude gets a bump slappers while riding that thing. That's sick. You know what I'd be bumping if I had that? I'd be playing the David's Pizza song. When I get a serious craving for something I want to eat.
Pizza!
Yeah. God, that supercharger sound sounds so awesome. Damn. Goes brum. Damn, they redecorated this whole entire plaza. Huh? Oh yeah, I used to live right 2 blocks over. That supercharger sounds real good. Oh yeah, that's so good. I like that sound. I just got a dome checked by something. A bird dropping some fucking nuts on my dome.
Got him!
Those tacos are sounding pretty damn good right now. So they're not just good, they're a real good? A real good, alright. Opposite sounds coming down the road. That supercharger is some handmade quality shit right there.
Yeah, well, this is handmade quality shit we're talking here.
I'm catching all the fucking light ropes, damn it. Every red light. How's that going, bud? Nice bike, bud. 2 cruisers with a little sport bike filling. I would have never expected some tacos up in this bitch. I've passed this place a million times in my lifetime, and I never in my life would have assumed it would be a taco place.
So good.
How you doing, man? Derek, nice to meet you, bud.
A few moments later.
So we just ate at this place, Taqueria Jose Guerrero, burritos tacos. So Tony, what was the synopsis on those tacos?
They were real good. They were real good.
It's going to go ahead and conclude today's motovlog adventure with Tony Carball. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Go ahead and hit up his YouTube channel, subscribe to him, his Instagram. All the links will be down below. And as always, if you like this video and Tony's supercharged bike, don't forget to hit the out of that like button. Out of that like button. You guys have a real good day.
Yeah.